There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and you already know we came to slay today. Okay. What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, everybody? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl April, and today we're about to do a slay on a budget. Y'all know I really do love a good budget. We not playing with money over here, but we still gotta look cute on a budget. I don't even know why I'm always yelling. Anyway, you guys, so what's up? Today's video, of course, is an Amazon slay, and it is by one of my favorite vendors, sellers, hair companies, which is UNice Hair. So today's video is going to be budget-friendly wig. Y'all already know what time it is. So first of all, before we even get into this video, do y'all see a little bit difference here? I'm really trying to step outside of my comfort zone with this lipstick color. Like, tried so hard to make this lipstick color work for me. Like, seriously, I lined my lips. I just like try to do me a lip combo thing. So yeah. I'm trying to step out there, okay, and find me the perfect red lipstick. Tell you ladies all the time, if you are looking for some really good budget-friendly hair, then you definitely need to check out UNice Hair. They have Amazon, they have AliExpress, they have their own website. Their hair prices are amazing. Plus, the quality of the wigs is out of this world. Like, when I tell you the quality of the wigs are really, really good, the quality of the wigs are really, really good. We're about to do one of these nice water waves, and this is 7x5, bye-bye knot. They always say it's the bye-bye knot things. Bye-bye knots. Like, you don't see them, bye-bye, they're not there, which definitely means it's pre-everything. This is, of course, 24 inches. They do send some amenities with your wig, which is a melting band, a comb, and a wig cap. Comes with 2, HG. And this cute box, girl. I like the box. But you also do get some wig tape inside of here as well. I used to love doing the tape. Like, seriously, sometimes I do the tape, but it just depends on the day and how I feel about it. Because I feel like the tape works for those who don't have, like, really oily skin. It'll, like, adhere a lot better. So anyway, let me stop rambling. This one, baby, has all the security that your heart will desire. This is one of their new caps, which is the non-slip cap. The silicone banding right here is just giving you a little extra grip, so that way your wig does not slip back. Plus, there's also a comb in the nape, and also you do see that same like silicone rubberish banding going around. This is the elastic band that they're giving you this time, which is totally different. Wow, this one is sewn in, and on this side it does have the adjustable part of it, and you also do have the other security of the drawstring in the nape, giving you that more secure, snug fit. And as I stated, this is bleach knot, so you really don't have to do anything. I think their knots are super clean. They've already bleached it for you. They've already pre-plucked and cut the lace, and they've actually pre-styled it with their baby hairs. Let's go ahead and try this wig out.
Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away, but you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My hair closed the door. even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you see? Or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That was then. Go back. Hurt so bad. Had to block out the memory. Yeah. Started from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, love it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your.
All right, ladies, this is it. This is the final look. She came out real cute. I mean, I'm just saying, I love to add a little bit of curl in her. I love using this curling wand. I think this is like probably like my third set, but I love like when they have like 8 different interchangeable wand sizes. That is definitely a convenience. And I always use the smallest one and just wand it on real quick and then take it off and kind of like pull at it so that way the curl is not too tight, just so that way it could kind of like blend in with that other natural curls. You know, I love a good wig. I always be saying that to y'all, like I really do love a good wig. Look, this is a 7x5. I done pulled her up right here and tucked her back and pulled the hairs down so that way you won't notice that there's no lace going all the way around. And that's it. The curls is looking juicy. It does fit nice. The actual cap does fit nice. The actual drawstring. I think the drawstring is doing the most work for just allowing the wig to be snug and just fit a lot more flush to your actual head. 24 inches. She's cute. She's long. Girl, I love a good wig. I keep telling y'all that I love a good wig. And the conditioner that I used was actually at the Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree a couple of days ago. And girl, let me tell y'all, I did not know they had like a whole bunch of new stuff in there, like new beauty products in there. I found mascaras. I found like a bunch of stuff that I really didn't go there for. But they also have this brand here, and they also have it in purple shampoo. So if you do have knots and they look brassy, it'll take the brassy tones out of any color hair. But let me show you how the hair looks in the back area. But yes, girl, curls are popping, waves are popping. This is definitely boho chic, and my part is definitely popping. You can do a lot with a 7x5. Don't front on them. Don't sleep on a 7x5. But something easy where you can just put it on and go. Girl, yes, this is definitely doing it for me. So I will link everything down below for you nice hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you didn't subscribe, please do so now. If you enjoyed this content, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
You've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long.